uyithatha phi right ukuthi alande i-boyfriend yami ayitshele ukuthi ngiyamchithela?
Mara it's not like awuchithi mos.
Ayifuni yena.
Wena ufuna le
yena akachithela umfazi wakhe lo amshadile.
Oh nawe uyamjolela umama sendini.
Ngabafazi abaningi kabi.
So
ngaphi uyabagulisa.
Wena ufila ubone ngathi kufair ukuthi yonke into bayishiye kuwe cause uzalwa yibo boyithu.
Okay, mina I'm a last born.
Yeah.
Ake tsebe gore why bashile le nna dilo tseo.
Okay. So ngoba uzwa uthi ubhuti wakho basi ufuna ukubulala kwenzakalani, ikhona yini mhlawumbe into ake ayizama isolisayo ukuthi?
Yeah, a lot. And then abangani bakabhuti wami bayangitshela ukuthi ubhuti wami ungihambela inyanga ufuna ukungibulala, ufuna ukuthatha yonke into.
Ngiyanibingelela ababukeli bethu abahle, ngiyanamukela kushow yethu yanamhlanje Untold Stories ngaphansi kweRuma Monga. uSimphiwe wakwaNgqobolwana. Ma ukuthi ubungaka-subscribe ngicela ukuthi usubscribe, ufollow, usharele bonke abangani bakho. Angihambi-ke ngedwa namhlanje, ngihamba nosisi wethu. Sawubona sisi, kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kanjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ubani, ungwakabani, ubuya kuphi?
Ngubhalisa uViolet wakwaMhlonhlo, ngihlala la eAlexandra.
Okay sisi, size sibe nawe namhlanje. Ufisa ukusixoxela mhlambe siphi story sakho, kwenzakalani?
Istory engisilethile la ekhaya namhlanje ukukhuluma ngendaba yabantwana bomuntu. Thina ezabantwana bomuntu asithandani.
Okay.
Once abazali bashona siyalwiswana.
Okay.
Kwenzakala ukuthi ubaba unabantwana abayi-2 ngaphandle, and then umamami unomntwana oyedwa ngaphandle. Ubaba uze nomfana nentombazane. Ubaba waza nomfana. Last born mina. Last born yabo.
Okay,
like
boy-two.
Yeah, boy-two.
Okay.
Ubaba nomama abanamntwana umunye besides mina.
Okay.
Papa kona le bana ba bayi-2 ka montle.
Okay.
Ke ngwanyana ke moshimane. And then mama ka ona le ngwana o-1 ka montle ke moshimane. Nna ngwana bona.
Oh, okay.
Ke le 1.
Okay. So ngizwa mawuthi siswami thina singabantwana bomuntu asithandani, kwenzakalani? Why uthandani?
Okay. So abazali bami bebathandana kakhulu. Since I was born, ke tseba vele ba ratana. Ke thotse di-siblings tsaka di le teng. Bana ba bona, but ke bana ba bona.
Okay, yeah.
Ke nna ngwana bona.
Yeah, ke understand.
Okay. Gwa ba right, gwa godiwa, gwa ba le ntlo. Papa ka is a hard worker. Also my mom Lena, like she was just a wife, a good wife.
Okay.
So they got married. My dad made sure everything is okay. My dad is a provider. My dad was a provider.
Okay.
So my mom passed away first. Maybe it was 6 years, 7 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and everybody did a tombstone this last month, which is August.
Awurini ribayetsa tombstone ushuthi no mama akasekho?
No baba akekho, baba uyogcina.
Okay.
So kwaba ne will when they passed on. Angithi baba uye the provider, he's the one who's working. There was a will. Everything by shaking.
When you say everything,
everything, cars, the house, everything is mine.
Okay, wena ufila ngathi ezakho, but laba abanye ngoba nabo abakini.
Iwili yabo ayifuni mina, nami ngumntwana.
So when you feel like ngeke ubasherele?
So
okay,
ngiyabasherela. I'm young.
Yeah.
They are very older than me. I just needed them to advise me or back me up, like bantuse.
Yeah, basho ukuthi yenza so
Yeah,
kancane, yeah.
instead they are oppressing me. They sold my father's car, which is a Ranger. My dad left me with that car.
Yeah.
They sold it. I was at work. Ne ke le ko mmerekong. Ke utlwa so go kena tšhelete ko phone ya ka ya tlika tšhelete. Tlung banna tšhelete. After ba mfounela gore a re rekise koloi ya papa.
Yo.
Okay, ya gona flop. Koloi eo e rekisiwe go tlhakantshiwe tšhelete ya gore re etsetse batswadi tombstone ba re bona ba e rekiseditse for the tombstone tsa batswadi.
Okay, of which is fair.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
But they should have spoke to me about that.
So wena ufuna like ukuthi kube uwe uphezulu cause igama lakho liphezulu or kanjani? Okay.
Ngibekwe lapho.
Yeah.
Bashonile. Yazi loya yafundiwile.
Yes.
Ezami.
Okay.
Ezami. If bengibazonda mabathengisa leyo moto ngabe ngiyababophisa.
Yeah, bona yonke right.
Yeah. So now I found out, like recently, I found out that my brother is going around telling my boyfriend ukuthi I'm cheating on him.
Utshela ubhuti wakho?
Ubhuti wami uyo
umntana kababakho?
Yes.
Utshela uboyfriend wakho?
Hayi umntana kamama.
Umntana kamama?
Yeah.
Utshele boyfriend yakho
ukuthi ngiyamchithela.
Mara wena uyacheat?
Ngiyamchithela vele.
Okay, so
uyithatha phi right ukuthi alande i-boyfriend yami ayitshele ukuthi ngiyamchithela?
Mara it's not like awucheat mos.
Ayifuni yena.
Wena ufuna le
yena akachithela umfazi wakhe lo amshadile.
Okay, so manje
and then abangani bakabhuti wami bayangitshela ukuthi ubhuti wami ungihambela inyanga ufuna ukungibulala ufuna ukuthatha yonke into. But still angibathembi. I need to trust my brother. Bangitshele maybe 3 months ago, but I've bluffed it off. So obviously mawuzotshela i-boyfriend yami ukuthi ngiyakuchithela kusho ukuthi vele angikho safe.
Awukho safe. Mara wena ufila ngathi lezi zinto bazishiye nawe uyi-one awufuni ukusherela abanye abantwana?
Ngiyabasherela, bahlala khona kunama room bayahlala ngiqoshe ama-tenants bahlala khona. Usisi wami wakababami yes yena ushadile unendoda yakhe, she's well off. Omunye naye ulo wakababa uyabona laba bakababami?
Yeah.
Ba right. Usisi ushadile, ushada indoda e-right, u-right.
Akahluphi. Okay.
Lowo mfana lo omunye wakhaba ubabami naye usishadela umfazi wakhe uhlala lapha emathembisa or whatever, I don't know.
Okay.
But lo engimncingisayo, lo engiphila naye, lo engidinga isupport yakhe uyangibhidliza.
So yena uplana izinto behind wena?
Yeah, he's the one who told me ukuthi laba baka babami yibo bathengise imoto.
So yena sekaza ngapha uza ne?
Yeah, he's trying to make himself like he's innocent, like ngathi Gundwani uyaluma police. So I'm tired of him. Angazi ukuthi ngenzeni ngimqoshe endlini, but I don't want that. Uzoyapi?
So the time umama nobaba basasekhona basaphila ba right, laba abanye abantwana bakamama nabakababa bebahlala nani endlini, like bekunjani?
Yeah, before laba abanye bashada besihlala sonke.
So bona bebangafili like abazalwa mhlambe umama akho nalaba?
No, my dad is a loving dad. My mom also is a loving mother.
So wena ufila ubone ngathi kufair ukuthi yonke into bayishiye kuwe cause uzalwa yibo boy2 or
Okay, mina I'm a last born.
yeah.
A ke tsebe gore why ba shile le nna dilo tseo.
Okay.
A ke tsebe. Maybe na ba ntse ba bona gore
But i-relationship yabo no baba no labantwana
usisi wami mina bamthatha kudala. Mina usisi wami vele unenhliziyo embinyana. I don't want to say that, but she's very, I don't know how to put that, mara why or why born or get a bit, I don't know how to say that, but like yeah, why born like why born usile khantle.
So i-relationship yabo no baba beyinjani because angithi ubaba uyi-provider ushiye i-will beyinjani i-relationship yabo bonke
Now in my understanding I feel like we were kids ne re le bana ba bona ne re le bana, so nane ke sa ha ba mchika le nna na ba nchika ha ba re chika nka se re o ha ba mchiki na ba re chika kaofela.
So since wazi ukuthi ubhuti wakho ukuplanela into eso wena isiphi i-step ofuna ukuthatha?
Umthetho.
Mawuthi umthetho usho ukuthi uzombophisa without the-evidence because it's not like une-evidence.
It's not gonna be easy. I don't know. And batswadi papa ke papa o tlhokofetseng la mafello ne. Lawyer ele ha etla e tlo re fa will. Obviously go na le di-funeral policy tsena di patala le di-life cover. Obviously di shile ko nna. I gave them to my brother gore yena dile le tsona.
The one of ukukubulala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ke di file abuti wa ka, and then go na le di-room ko ntlong di-4 o dula ko A1 and then 3 nka ke nna ke a iperekela ke sharp. Ke a bereka a ke na bana ke a iperekela o na le bana o change basadi di wa batlang ka teng o ntshitse magadi ko mongwanyaneng o mongwe makoto a rona wa mathomo, but nna nka se botse makoto wa gae gore o tlisa basadi mo ntlong. Yeah, so ngifila ngathi akafuni kube nendoda ezozendlini ngoba ezothatha naye akekho mawilini ne-willing uyichange for yena.
Mawuthi uyochinja ufuna ukushintsha amagama umuzi mhlawumbe ufake i-boyfriend?
Hayi ngizoyinikeza i-charity once if I die izoya e-charity.
Lo bhuti wakho bese ayohlala kuphi?
Uzozibona.
So ngoba uzwa uthi ubhuti wakho basi ufuna ukubulala kwenzakalani ikhona yini mhlawumbe into ake ayizama isolisayo ukuthi?
Yeah, a lot. Futhi nabangani bami nabakhe masetshwaleni or sisihlalele badakiwe bayangitshela. Okay, there's this one time bengiphekile nekiphegile nikenze beef stew le cabbage le stampa.
Okay.
And then a kenya whatever ew ane so ke jele ka shia ko pitseng ka skenye ko fridge.
Okay.
So ka phuthumatsa dijo the next morning ke futhumaletsa nna le chomi yaka ne ke tlile le chomi yaka hai re futhumatse dijo chomi yaka tshole fast o gata dijo chomi yaka a tshole chomi yaka a tshole a je nna ne ke tlhapa ke le ko shaweng ke tlhapa chomi yaka a ja fetse ha ile nna ke tshole ke je le nna maybe 2 hours after yena sa jele hai chomi yaka ke utswa before go rekiswa Ranger. Chomi yaka e tshole mole a ke re jile yena 2 hours after yena jile re tsamaye re go dipiyeng a chomi yaka e thome kula wa tlhatsa nna ke pitsa gore hai maybe ke kodintse re nweleng maybe o na le alcohol poisoning wa tseba o nwele so much of a bottle e etsa alcohol poisoning le yone.
Yeah.
Even if o sa poisoniwe. Okay ke mise ko clinic mo le ke fotseng line le yena go thoma nna ke a kula ba kenye nna chomi ya ka e fetsa go tswa di-drip ya tla mpotsa re hai ba re dijo tse ke di jileng chomi ke tsona tse nang le poison o batla mpolaya ene ke go dripong le nna wa bona ke re there's something wrong a mpotsa re chomi lwena so kula ke re chomi ke a tlhatsa no so a re chomi dijo tse le gantle di tswa kae fridging eng ke re ke phegile maobane
and wadla izolo waba right
yeah ke phegile maobane ke tshotse ke jele so Dr. Ole a tla re botse estimation of times tsa rona gore okay wena o jile neng ara nna ke jile a le ko shaweng so nna chomi ya ka re tlhakantse mara a botsa chomi ya ka tsona tseo because she's my best friend
okay
bole re go na le this other time re dutseng ko jwaleng before ranger rekiswa ranger impontshitse masepe ntshitse di-true colors
yo yazini yakuvezela umuntu
yeah ranger ili one
i-ranger
ili one
so wena sowutholile uyahamba uyomconfront ukuthi yeyi wena ufuna ukungibulala or wenza njani
I didn't trust his friends
okay.
I felt like maybe ba batla go re lwantsha ka gore re setse re le one
yeah
chomi tsa ga ida mpotsa ba re ko nna you better be careful phela botwa ga o re mokhapile ko ngakeng solo so ha re mmotsisa ra go na le motho a tlameileng a dile le ene o tlo sala le one ka re so le bua kang ba rai e ba careful ka tshwara ke di-fits ke ipotsa gore ha ke epilepsy ya
so uyagula kuningi manje
ke mrati
so after lapho wahlala naye endlini waqhubeka wapheka wadla naye
o phega dipitsa tsa gae ke phega tsaka
mawuphekile uyakhiya
i-main house yena o hlala e-rooming
okay so wena uhlala ku-main house
yeah
so after lapho awatshela abangani bakhe
angikwazi ukukhiya ngoba ugezela endlini ukakela endlini abantwana bakhe bageza lapho ngikasikhoni so ke tshaba ntshweo or maybe bayiplana yena le msadi wa gae I don't know I'm so scared
so likhona mhlawumbe usizo wako walithatha ukuthi ngcono aphume umrentele somewhere
alikho this is the first time ke bua ka yona taba
like awucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe umrentele somewhere or wena uphume uyorenta somewhere
kunama room ayi4 endlini
okay
uhlala kweyi1 kuna 3
okay
irente leyo ithathwa uye ngoba mina ngiyazisebenzela and ngisebenza kahle
okay
ngiyayiperekela
I understand
ayinke akina ngwana akina nix ayinke shelter room ka gore nna ke a gola go phala tšhelete eo ya di-room a ipono etsa jwang so I'm tired o crossitse line ha tlo lata girlfriend ya boyfriend yaka gore nna ke jola le mogatšage a botse le monnaka gore nna ke mo febela ka mang ke mo ke boneng di-true colors
so wena bofuna fihle ukuthi uyajola
aphume endabeni zami akajoli yena
naye uyamjolela umama wasendlini
ngabafazi abaningabi
so
ngapho uyabagulisa
so wena ngoba usulana uvele emakhamereni
I'm tired.
awusabi ukuthi mhlawumbe uzovele nje akwate even
kuzoba i-evidence yami leyo ke le camera le is gonna be my evidence ukuthi my death is with him and if I die I'm not gonna sell that house ke tlo ngwadisa ko di-estating gore ha ke tlhokofala ke ngwale will ha ke tlhokofala ngwane ntlwele e tlo ya ko di-charitying ba e rekise e fe bana ba dikgutsana if ke na le ngwana ke ya gae wa tswa ka masepe
but manje awusabi ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoxabana nawe or nike nazama ukubiza umndeni ukuthi ekhaya mhlawumbe ubiza umalume no-anti ukuthi nakhu nginenkinga ngadla la endlini
Abazingeni.
so.
Yes, bakhona engikhuluma nabo ne, but akuna input, akuna tswelopelo.
So wena awufeel like laba bomndeni bano-brother
K1 my darling, K1. Since batswadi ba ka ba tlhokofala K1.
Awunayo nomuntu mhlambe ongakubonisa emndenini oyi-one nje ongakumela kulwele lo oyi-one?
Bashonile.
Ish.
Gogo wami ushone ekala futhi ushone kudala. Ugogo wami uye vele bekazolwa.
Ngiyaxolisa ukuzwa lokho sisi wami. Ngizwile-ke iy'ndaba ezibuhlungu babukeli bethu. Ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni-subscribe ni-share. Nina enilwela amafa bafethu, nikhumbule ukuthi amafa awasili kusasa. Sebenzela impilo yakho, uzamele ikusasa lakho ney'ngane zakho. Ungaze ubulale udadewenu ngenxa yey'mali nezindlu. Siyabonga-ke babukeli bethu, ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni-subscribe, ni-follow, nisharele bonke abangani benu. See you next time, same place.